Un, dos y un, dos, tres y...
A lot of people from different parts of the United States and Canada move to Mexico for greener pasture, contrary to what the media makes us believe. The dollar stretches further in Mexico City, and I was excited to see how much $10 can get me, which is about 200 Mexican pesos. I tried out plenty of items including the famous drink known as Pueblo, but first things first is food. Food is human basic need. Let's see how much I can get on the streets of Mexico City.
Alright, part of my $10 challenge, the first thing I'm going to be trying is called a pagua. These are large guacameles. This is the first time I'm doing something this big. Look at it compared to my head. Super big. And they go for just 20 it's charged per kilo, but typically goes for about 15 pesos. And that's the first thing I'm going to try. As part of my $200 challenge, $10 challenge is about 200 pesos to see how much I can get from Mexico City. So, yep, let me have some, please. Chico.
Ah, pero ese no, está duro.
Very deep.
Yep.
All cities are crazy.
Yeah.
All cities are crazy. Okay. Go. This is the most creamiest, if that word exists. The creamiest guacamole I've had ever, and it's very nice as well.
Cost of living in Mexico City is incredibly affordable compared to North American cities like Toronto and New York. I could see why a lot of people choose to pitch their tent here. Alcohol is seen as unfashionable among the Mexicans historically, as they believe in the spirit of 300 monkeys existing inside someone drunk. But that did not stop me from doing the next thing, which is called the puble. It's a local Mexican drink, tastes really amazing, and I'll tell you why it can be very tricky.
Gracias.
Un, dos y un, dos, tres y...
To get this, it's a mix of fermented agave concentrate mixed with grapefruit, and it costs us 40 pesos. So we have 140 more pesos to go. It is alcoholic, and at first you don't know it's alcoholic because it tastes good. So you're gonna be careful because when you drink it, it still ferments inside you. But I like the taste. And it's a great drink to have conversation over. The raw concentrate itself is quite sour. Like bitter, sticky palm wine. That's what it tastes like. So they pour this inside a cooler, and we have this drink.
Alright, so I'm going to be trying out a rucho. This is the most popular place for rucho in Mexico City. Costs just 8 pesos. Not a lot of money, but it's the most popular place. I definitely want to try it out. I'm going to order 3 or 2. Do you want?
No, I'm okay. You have to pay it there.
Oh, so you have to pay first. Hola.
어딘지.
Okay. Gonna put on a mask, keep it safe.
I've been wearing the same hat for a while, so I thought, okay, let me add a twist to it. I found the hats to be incredibly expensive, way above my budget, but I was able to get a new headband for my hat. As random as that might sound, it made my cap look entirely brand new, and that was what I spent my final piece of dollars on to complete my $10 challenge.
This one. All right, so as part of my last $10 challenge, I'm gonna get in this ribbon, place it on my existing car, and it looks brand new. And that's how far my $110 challenge will go in Mexico. How do I look? All right, here we go.